Well, looking for cool experiences that we could do in Kyoto, I stumbled upon a dojo that teaches legitimate Japanese swordsmanship. One of the things that got me excited about this is you got to do something that I've always wanted to do, but have never had the opportunity, and that is tamigashiri, cutting the straw mats with an actual katana. So at the start of the lesson, they walk you through a little bit of the history and some basics about handling a katana. After walking through a kata a couple of times, have you one by one go through and show that you're capable of handling the katana safely. I happen to get an A+. Once you pass the test, they bring out the mats and set it up. I'm always a little bit leery when things advertise cutting and real katanas, so I was very pleased to see that Yushin Sensei teach you the basics and how to handle the sword and what you're gonna do with a training yaito, that is a non-sharpened sword. And then, as an added bonus at the end, I signed up for an extra service where you get to put on samurai armor. Now, I had seen dozens of these online, and in all of the pictures that I had seen, it's really flimsy, plastic, cheap-looking stuff. The armor that he put me into was legit. It was custom made for the dojo with their seal on the armor. It was heavy, it was authentic, it was made in Japan by legitimate armor smiths. But just putting on the armor, feeling the weight and the movement and how it changed everything, it was an incredible experience. When we went through the first test in just the gi and the hakama, it was something I'm used to. When you put on the armor, everything changes. I, for one, had giant horns on my helmet, and that changes the angles that you can swing your sword with. So they had to teach us again how to do the cut. So you have to rotate your whole torso in a way that's different from when you don't have those restrictions. It was an incredible experience. I highly recommend it. If this is something you would like to do in Japan, this is definitely the dojo that you want to go and do this. Sensei Yushin was a great teacher, very charismatic. This experience is geared towards tourists. It is an actual practicing Japanese swordsmanship dojo with local students who are practicing every day. Highly recommend this experience. It was a lot of fun. It is one of the highlights of my time in Japan.